Hey y'all. So at 8:20 Sunday night, just had the maddest New Year yesterday, but hey Lila. I'm at my parents' place because we just got done with practice with the older girls. They had to do some formation changes because 2 of their dancers won't be able to make it next weekend anymore, so we have to make changes.
Dance people.
Yeah, dance people. And so that's what we spent today doing, just, making sure that we fill in the formations and do the partner stuff we did. They ended up not having practice, these guys. So they probably won't be dancing next weekend for competition, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So, yeah, just wanted to say hello, let you know that that's what we do to prepare for Milwaukee next weekend. We'll be having sleepovers here at my parents' place and dance practice with that, late night dance practices. So it'll be fun. So we'll see you at the sleepover and practice. And Lila will be hanging out with us since she lives here. Bye.
I'm bothering you guys.
Bothering us?
Hey.
You better know. I'll dare you. Midnight. Sitting at plate because I need to finish bedazzling some things. I've cut up a lot of my bling. Working on gluing things. My favorite fabric glue. Yeah, just a lot of hard work. Clean. Lift up your feet, Dia. You need to lift up your knee when you go around. I'm vlogging. Let me see yours. Where's the shirt? Angel. That's in the front and the back. Damn it. Here, just do 2 of this.
Hey guys, we're just updating our outfits.
You have to do 2 lines.
Yes, we are. I'm gonna show you. Wait, can I flip this? Mom. Adding new stuff to our scarves for Bollywood. Hey, look at my new keyboard thing. I changed it to the dance fam. I forgot to show you guys this. Tina's vlog. Tina's vlog. Got Tina's vlog. Oh, this girl working hard. Looks so ugly. Oh. She working hard too. And then there's Becky on her phone, not working hard like others. No, just kidding. I'm not either. I'm not doing anything either. Oh.
The girls are getting ready to sleep. Well, Valentina just got out of the shower. I don't think you want to see it. But Dander, hi. I don't know where the other girls are. I think they're getting ready for bed. But yeah, we had to get up at 4:30, so like 4.5 hours. I still have to go home and curl my hair because I ain't got time to do that tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys. I'm leaving my apartment right now. Going to head over to my parents' place and get the girls ready because we need to leave to Milwaukee by 7. Get there before 8:30. Check in and be set to go. So as you can see, yeah, it's still dark out. I had 4 hours of sleep last night. But that's Look who's driving! Yay! Yay! No, I'm not going to record you doing that. We have Becky, Tina, and Panucci in the car.
Are you having to...
Hold on. So it's like around 8 o'clock. We're on our way to Milwaukee. We have to be there by 9. We're
Milwaukee.
We're kind of right there on time. I did their hair different this time for their tie dance. I did like a little victory roll on the side. It's a little different. I want to try something different. And they are finishing up like last minute accessories that I didn't finish. But that's okay because it's like simple stuff. They just need a safety pin, something real quick together so that everyone can put on themselves. Yay! So we're at Milwaukee New Year. we're the first one to dance today for round 1, which is really in our luck because there's a lot of good dance teams here and a lot of Thai people doing Thai dances. So they have to make that good first impression, and then tomorrow for second round they're the last ones. So here they are in their Thai outfits. It's kind of dark. I just got done working with the music people, making sure that they have the right song.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
They're introducing the judges right now.
11 years of dance experience.
My mom is here, so I'm gonna stay with my mom.
Dancing at the age of
Hi.
8 and performed for
So,
a variety of shows.
We're gonna be watching them. We're right in front of the stage.
Graduations and many different types of ceremonies.
We're sitting in VIP seating, but you know what? No one's here yet because it's so early.
For you also, Shane Jado Bay, to tell you, Madison, Tia Shane from Madison, Wisconsin. About 3 years. Okay. So, Nick Boyd, Dun Dado Bay from Madison, Tia Shane, okay?
Woo! There they are. Oh, their outfits look awesome. Very shiny on that stage. Yeah. We're done dancing, making all the girls sit here to watch. Look, it's Dirt! Hi! You look great! Look at. How do you feel?
Nervous?
Yeah?
Nervous, excited.
Don't feel nervous. Okay, see you guys. These are my ladies. Hi! So we just took photos with the dance coordinator, and she brought us egg rolls. Woo! So right now we're walking to the entrance where they do the opening. They have like this really pretty gate. I'm gonna take pictures over there, and after we do that, then we can go ahead and eat. Finally, we've been so busy we haven't had time to eat. Isn't Miley's hat so sparkly? It's so sparkly. I love it. I finally found these girls. Hey, they were out socializing this whole time. My dad's gonna take most of them home. I'm gonna stay here and watch Jer. So they're gonna be, a few of us are gonna be here for most of the day. We're practicing. So got home around 4:30 from the New Year. Took a nap. Came here. We practiced for a bit. Had dinner, and now we're working on our Hmong dance. So that's what's going on. You guys can watch. We just got done practicing. My mom's working and trying to fix our banner, make it look nicer, even though I'm okay if it doesn't look like whatever. And then we're just finishing up some final touches in our Bollywood clothes to help them sparkle even more on the stage, because the stage in Milwaukee has a lot of pretty lights that are blinding, right, guys? Yes. Yeah. But you guys look good on there. All like your glittery makeup and stuff really shines. Yeah, we're just gluing everything. It's too late to sew things. Blight has to finish making sure the leaves on her stay together. Angel's over there making sure she has everything she needs. My mom's plans. During dear, been finishing up Dur's scarf. It's around 4:20. I'm leaving the house. I have to go buy some extra glue, but look, it snowed. So yeah, gonna go buy some glue for some of the costumes. I need that, and then the girls are practicing right now, and then they're gonna be getting ready. So it's almost 6:30. We've got about 20 minutes left, and then we need to start getting ready by then to leave Green Bay. Not Green Bay, Milwaukee. But look at this. I'm doing Becky's hair while she's doing makeup. We're finishing up here. It's just funny. It's just some crazy things we do. Someone needs to do the makeup to make it consistent, and someone needs to do hair as well to make sure that's consistent. So yeah, I just want to share this. Angel, you can go around to others and see how they feel today compared to yesterday.
Shoji, how do you feel? Feel energetic somehow.
Really?
Yeah. I feel a little bit more confident.
She feels energetic. You feel more confident?
Yeah.
That's
Good job, Shoji. So, how do you guys feel? I feel good. Dude? I'm excited to show off everything. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
What about you, Angel?
I'm like Shoji. I feel more energetic. So like when we practiced this morning, I was like, oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
I didn't see that in the morning, but okay. Really? Is it dry now? Hey guys, how do you feel?
Excited.
Let's go.
So I get tired.
Yeah. Okay, do you guys want to say anything to our fans? Just kidding.
Are you ready, Angel? Support us.
Yes, I am ready. Yeah, support us, please. Okay, bye-bye, you guys. Becky, how do you feel?
I'm excited.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
How are you, Black Black?
I feel confident in these dance.
Yeah,
good.
same.
Yeah.
From both of these stands?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. You guys are supposed to do it exactly like how we practiced. Exactly like we totally talked about.
Dino, how do you feel?
I don't know. We'll see how I feel. I feel like we do our best. Whatever happens, happens. That's how I always feel.
Okay.
I feel tired. I have bags under my eyes, but I covered it up with my makeup.
I don't got time for that. Yeah, just kidding.
Okay. Okay, so we're on our way to Milwaukee right now. It's about 6:50, so we're a little bit behind time. We just have to be there by 8. So it's like a little under an hour drive. Yesterday, Trish said it was a 45-minute drive back home, which was surprising to me. So, yeah. But we will be there soon. And then in the back, we got some of the girls. They're eating macaroni and cheese for breakfast. 10 o'clock of the new year. We just got here. We had some issues with the entrance. They wouldn't let us get in because we had to check in by 8 o'clock or we were going to get disqualified. But luckily, they allowed it like last minute. And the girls are in the changing room now. And there's Blypa and Shoji. They're going to go change in the bathroom because they're shy. But I'm not going to walk you guys inside. So we're like backstage of the new year. And look, it's completely dead in here. Yeah, it's just like all the dancers and everyone getting ready. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going over the routine. You can see everyone else and their routines all focused too. We have Luna, Bella, Go Yi Sang, Lila, Hmong Lida, Madison Tia Shang. I'm not sure what that group is called. I think they're Infinity. I've never really seen them, and that's the only team I'm not familiar with. Oh, there's another team sitting all the way over there. Hmong Kaili. And then there's a green team over here. That's Minnesota Angels. Did you see them tumbling?
Yeah, I also saw them at the food place.
Cool. You like their outfits? I had a little incident earlier where I forgot my USB drive. My dad brought one. So thankfully, I just was at my friend TP's booth. I should have recorded there. Dang it, I keep getting things. And he has his PC there, so I was able to download my songs, put them on here. And then we'll be working with the music guy because he's finally here. To make sure that all the songs play because they were having issues yesterday. So yeah, and he's late. But those are the other dance leaders of their own teams. You know, making sure that the music plays. Yay. So they're just about to end singing round. And guess who's here? My little dancers are here too. There's only 8 of them today. But we'll be working right now on fixing formations and they're just kind of warming up their dance. What are you guys doing? Stretching. We're just waiting for 3 other ones who are when to go eat. And these guys over here stretching too. Right. What hurts?
Right here.
The bottom of your foot?
Yeah.
Why?
All of us hurts. I don't know.
Lots of dancing.
Yeah. That's too hard.
They're crazy, huh? Some other dancers there. They're really talented. Let's see what they do. Leap? Yes, leap. Hey everyone. So, we just got done practicing with the little ones. You can't really see them because it's dark in here. Hi, Sona. So, dance competition just started and we're watching that. Taking a break from our practice. And then I have to go and give my girls a pep talk.
Yes.
They're over in the corner right now, warming up and just staying focused. Right, the girls are on deck to perform. One group's dancing and there's another group ahead. How do you guys feel? Excited. Excited? Are you guys nervous? A little bit? Are you guys nervous? Don't be nervous. Be energetic. Be confident. Give it your best. No stage fright. There's nothing. Just do it like you're at practice. Okay, so the girls are gonna go next. I'm sitting with the dance coordinator here at the music table. Kind of nervous.
Madison, TSJ, Madison, Wisconsin.
I'm gonna go up there and record. Yeah. Okay, I'll cue you guys. Good. Valentina, and I just got here at the music table so that I can help make sure everything's good.
都在贴心，多注重 medicine， 新我讲很多，老魏老电视都被说的谁，他的说的目的在到都在贴心。
Okay.
It's been here. That's why.
Okay.
It was with all my other dance stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like, okay, so your dad's next.
Yes. Okay. They're ready.
And then your dad is next. So
Yeah.
he knows the red stuff.
Yeah. Yep. We're trying to figure out where is this. Yes.
This one?
Wait.
对，这几件是看着呢。
That's my dad. Hopefully the mic doesn't give any problems. ，The girls just got done changing, and the little ones just performed earlier, as you saw. They were changing throughout all that, and they're just practicing now. My feet's killing me. My heels. I know, really bad angles, right? There, you see them now? Yeah, my feet's killing me, so I'm gonna take off these damn heels. More fun! Watch them practice. We started a dance competition a while ago. My girls are the 7th one today. There it is. Lila's there chilling. We have some moms here. Since I only have the big girls this weekend and my little ones are not competing, I'm kind of letting them be more independent, take care of it themselves, which, you know, gives me a break. So right now they're backstage, they're working on their pieces, and I'm just chilling, watching the show. Look at them, they're ready, they're on deck. Luna Bellas is going up first, right before them, and then they're on deck. They said they're not nervous, which is great. We just did a warm up, so I'm really proud of them. Back at it again.
All the way down.
And then my girls are up.
Madison, Tia Shane, Madison, Wisconsin, bố tiền được tại tàu ơi.
You can play. Okay, so I'm walking to my apartment right now. I just got home. Let's see, the time is 9:45. So I left New Year around 8. We got done with dance competition around, was it 5? Yeah, it was 5. My girls got 4th place. So I was really, really happy with that. I mean, I was content with that. Because it was the first time getting 4th. And it was a big competition. They didn't call all the teams onto the stage. They only called the top 5. And they called Madison Tiasheng first. So that was super fun. That was super great and awesome. And then when they named the rest of the teams, I just knew right away that they were 4th. As you are more experienced with dance and more familiar with the different teams that compete in this type of competition, you already know just from who's competing, you know, who's going to be top 3. And so my kids I felt like my dancers were the underdogs, and they did really well. You know, they're a really fresh new team. They're not like other teams where they've been dancing for many, many years. This is only their 2nd year as a real competitive team. And, you know, last year was their 1st year as a competitive team, and they were like right in the middle for everything, which was, you know, great. But, they definitely jumped up. Oh gosh, all this snow. Anyways, yeah, they got 4th. So that just means that next year they could do even better. Because the teams they competed against that won have been dancing for years. Some of them are, you know, around my age in their 20s. And yeah, well, actually, all 3 of the groups that placed have people around in their 20s and have been dancing for many, many, many years. So I'm really proud of them. But I'm home now. Finally. And I just can't wait to lay in my bed. My husband's home. And he has pho. Babe, I'm vlogging. Where's pho? He made me pho. Pho! He won't let me eat it. But we'll see you guys in Green Bay. Hey!